Let's check our understanding on basic greetings. What is the most common way to say hello in Japanese? How would you say good morning in Japanese? Which phrase is used to greet someone in the evening or late afternoon? How will you say goodbye in Japanese? In an informal context, which phrase is suitable for saying goodbye? How do you casually express thank you in Japanese? Which phrase is commonly used on the phone to answer a call? When meeting someone for the first time, which phrase is appropriate? How would you respond to someone saying, arigatou gozaimasu? How many of you got it correct? Also, please comment if you want the next part of the video. Thank you for watching.